Ignite Attachments. My name is Skylar. This is our 3-point soil conditioner. Nice in-house design here, so kudos to our engineers. We got quick hitch compatibility on it. We have 15 degrees either way of angling. We have a reversible drum on it. We have adjustable wheel kits, toolless, so no tools needed to adjust your wheel angle or move them up out of the way if you don't want them. We have the ability to put your top pin in a float position here. We have an adjustable deflector. Got a lot of easy grease points on this in our chain drive, so you don't have to worry about greasing your bearings in there. We have grease ports that extend to those inside the chain case here. It's going to be a slip clutch PTO shaft here. Pretty simple to remove covers. Check your fluid level in your chain case. 7/16, 9/16, and 3/4 is all you're going to need to be able to take your cover off, adjust your chain tension, remove these big covers so you can check your gearbox. In here you can check your grease zerks on your PTO shaft. You can check the drive shaft that runs between your gearbox and the chain case. So pretty simple to run everything, clean everything, maintain everything. To adjust your chain tension, it's this bolt and jam nut on the back. Open your side cover, loosen the lock nut here with the 7/16. Adjust your chain tension, tighten that back down. Lock down your jam nut, put your cover back on. To reverse the drum, you're going to have this hooked up to your tractor. Raise the 3-point up, lower your 3-point down so you're a little bit off the ground, just like I have here. You're going to pull out 4 bolts. Then you can slide your whole drum off. And you'll have to take it off the half shaft here. Spin it and put it on the keyway. Bolt it back up. So you have your little stub shaft and the key. Don't lose that. You have the same thing on the other side. Should be able to pull this off. Then we'll just 180. This side's easier. You can spin the shaft from the bolt on the back side. Line up your key,